Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Mommy Fashion Expert. I hope you'll fine and doing well. So friends, today I am back again with Western collection, midi bodycon dresses designs, office wear for girls and women. I have taken for you a very beautiful video. So in this video to see off midi bodycon dresses designs. So friends, watch the video to the end. You will get many gorgeous and many beautiful new bodycon dresses. Also, if any person useful collection of new designs, new ideas, inspirations for my channel. So friends, watch the video end and loving in the bodycon dresses designs. So friends, please to also like, comment and subscribe my channel, like, share and comments. So please click the bell icon button, get new notifications of my videos. And today friends, please do support me by sharing my videos with your friends, relatives. See you soon with a new collection of new designs, new ideas for your next video. And don't forget to subscribe my channel and don't forget like, share and comments. So friends, so beautiful, so stunning, elegant, stylish, new, beautiful office wear bodycon dresses designs, party wear, function wear new dresses, midi bodycon dresses, so stunning and beautiful, elegant, stylish, new, beautiful colors, beautiful designs, and so stunning and stylish sleeves and neck designs. So friends, watch the video end. Friends, thanks for watching this video. Okay, bye friends. Thanks for watching. Keep watching. Allah Hafiz. Bye bye. Thanks for watching this video. Okay, bye friends. Thanks for this video.